The Ukrainian Air Force inherited plenty of equipment from Soviet times. Among them are military planes. For all these years, they stood in aerodromes and became technically outdated. However, the start of Russian aggression prompted their mass modernization. Now, Ukrainian pilots are fully ready for combat.
Our aviation plants are giving us the necessary resources. They are producing spare details, replacing the dated ones, repairing engines and accessory gearboxes. Radar navigation and weapons have been improved. Missiles have already been modernized. Their range has increased and now reaches 80 kilometers.
Along with renovation and modernization of Ukrainian planes, the Air Force is acquiring new defense equipment to counter Russian-led militants.
We are now trying to replace the fuel in anti-aircraft missile systems to Ukrainian-made fuel. At the same time, we are also sorting out the electronics in them. This way, we are increasing their service life. In addition, we are modernizing old and producing new radar equipment. Since the beginning of 2014, the military has received over 50 radar stations, and it's quite a lot.
The Ivan Kozedu National University in Kharkiv is the main institution preparing staff for the Air Force. This year, 400 young lieutenants of the Air Force have graduated. Now the admissions process has begun.
This year, the competition was larger than ever. On some specialities, there were 7 to 8 people for one place. On average, there are 3 to 4 candidates for one place. Among the most popular are the flight department and, of course, the most high-tech department of automated control systems and ground support for flights and aviation.
Modernizing aircraft, acquiring new defense equipment, and training professional staff. Ukraine is working on this to switch the Air Force to NATO standards.
The level of training of our flight crews and our specialists already corresponds to NATO standards. Some procedures which deal with improving their English skills and the compatibility of controlling systems are being developed to the Ministry of Defense and the General Staff. That's why I see no problems in switching to NATO standards.
Soon, the Ukrainian Air Force will obtain new aircraft, including AN-178 and AN-77 planes. Reported by Artem Holub for UATV.